What happens when an ice cube melts? What happens when paper burns? Why is breaking a chalk called a physical change, but rusting of iron is a chemical change? Today, we'll answer all these questions with easy explanations, real-life examples, and fun animations. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our science class. Today we are going to learn one of the most interesting chapters of Class 7 Science, changes around us, physical and chemical changes. So, let's start. First of all, we understand. What is a change? A change means any alteration in the shape, size, color, state, or properties of a substance or object. Examples. Ice melts into water. Milk turns into curd. Paper is folded into a boat. Iron rusts. All these examples show change in the object. Types of changes. There are two main types: physical change and chemical change. Let's understand these one by one. Firstly, physical change. A physical change is a change in which no new substance is formed. Only the shape, size, or state changes. Here state means solid, liquid, gas. Examples of physical change. Melting of ice. Here only the state changes. It is still HO, so it is a physical change. Cutting of paper. After cutting, only size changed. Folding paper. Only shape changed, no new substance formed. Stretching a rubber band. After stretching, only size changed. Breaking glass. In all these examples, no new substance formed, only physical properties changed. So, they are physical change. So, characteristics of physical changes will be: no new substance is formed. Only physical properties like shape, size or state change. Usually reversible. Let's understand these features with more examples. First example is dissolving sugar in water. After dissolving, sugar disappears but is still present. No new substance forms. It is a physical change. Second example of physical change is inflating a balloon. Only the shape and size change. No new substance forms. Next example is water freezing. When water is cooled, it changes back into ice. This shows the change can be reversed. Now the question rises: is breaking chalk reversible? When we break a chalk into smaller pieces, no new substance is formed. It is still chalk. Although we cannot join the broken pieces exactly as before, it is still called a physical change because only the size changes. Important point: all physical changes are not reversible. Second type of changes is chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which one or more new substances are formed. The new substance has different properties from the original substance. Examples. Burning paper. Now observe what happens when paper burns. New substances, ash and smoke are formed. The original paper cannot be recovered. This is a chemical change. Second example of chemical change are rusting of iron. When an iron nail left in moist air slowly forms a new substance called rust. Third one is burning of magnesium ribbon. When magnesium burns in air, bright white light is produced and white ash called magnesium oxide is formed. This is a chemical change because a new substance is formed. Next example is curdling of milk. When milk curdles, it changes into curd, yogurt. This is considered a chemical change because a new substance with different properties is formed. So, characteristics of chemical changes will be: new substance formed. Usually irreversible. Next topic is physical and chemical changes together. Sometimes both changes happen in the same process. Example, burning of a candle. Here, physical changes: wax melts and size of candle changed. And chemical changes: wax burns and carbon dioxide and water vapor formed. Can you guess which changes are reversible and which are permanent? Comment your answer. Desirable and undesirable changes. Desirable changes are known as useful changes or changes we want. Example of desirable changes are cooking food, ripening fruits, making curd. Undesirable changes are also called harmful changes or changes we don't want. Examples are rusting, food spoilage, milk turning sour. Slow and fast changes. Slow changes take a long time, sometimes days, months, and even years to occur. For example, rusting of iron, growth of plants from a seed. Fast changes occur rapidly or fastly. For example, bursting of a balloon, lightning a matchstick, burning of paper. Have you ever wondered why a candle starts burning as soon as it is lit? This process is called combustion. Combustion is a chemical process in which a fuel burns in oxygen and produces heat and light. This process is also known as burning. Here, fuel means a substance that burns like wood, wax or LPG are called fuels. Three things needed for combustion. First is fuel. Second is oxygen present in the air. Third is heat. Here, ignition temperature means the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. If any one of these is missing, combustion cannot occur. Can you guess combustion is physical change or chemical change? Combustion is a chemical change because new substances, such as carbon dioxide and water vapor, are formed. It also releases heat and light energy, and the original fuel cannot be obtained back easily. Crystallization. Crystallization is the process of obtaining pure crystals from a solution. Let's understand it with an example. When salty water is left in a dish, the water slowly evaporates and salt crystals are left behind. This is example of crystallization. Crystallization is physical change because no new substance is formed. Weathering and erosion. Firstly, understand weathering. Weathering is a natural process where large rocks break down into small pieces due to wind, water, heat, and growth of plants. It helps in soil formation. Next is erosion. The movement of soil or rocks by wind or flowing water is called erosion. Final comparison. Read carefully. After this, there will be quiz for you. In a physical change, no new substance is formed. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed. Pause the video and comment your answer. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Class 7 Science videos. See you in the next chapter.